So Brian, you caught 6 fish?
I don't know. I didn't count. They were all like chubs.
From what I was counting, you caught 6. Ben, you caught 3. And I caught 9, which is the normal. But, oh well. We're walking back now. Sorry I didn't turn on the camera at all when we were fishing besides the time lapse. Yeah, there wasn't much to do.
And we're recording these videos. I don't think people want to see it. That's what.
Then the camera is rolling.
Okay.
Yeah, so probably either a shorter video or we'll pick up. We might do a little bit more. I don't know. Do a little bit more. I'll send these two out to go fish and I'll send them with the camera. Because I'm walking on the road. But I'm planning on buying a cast net just to see how many fish are in a little area in that little thing there. And then I want to go to Mormon Island.
Yeah.
Just go out like on a canoe. Yeah, just go out on a canoe and just bring a couple 5-gallon buckets and the cast net, cast out, fill them 5-gallon buckets up and come stock our pond. So that we can start fishing in our pond. I guess that might wrap it up for the end of the video. You guys got anything else to say?
Nope.
Okay. I'll either see you guys next time or I'll see you